Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a senior product manager at LifeStraw. I'm going to walk you through how to replace your filters in your LifeStraw Home water filter pitcher or dispenser. There is one set of filters included with your LifeStraw Home pitcher or dispenser: the membrane microfilter and the activated carbon and ion exchange filter. When it's time to replace your filters, replacements can be found on lifestraw.com. As a reminder, all LifeStraw Home products utilize the same replacement filters. The activated carbon and ion exchange filter lasts up to 40 gallons or 150 liters and should be changed about every 2 months with regular use, or when you start to notice the taste of your water changing. The membrane microfilter lasts about 264 gallons or 1,000 liters and should be changed about once per year. Over time, the flow rate will slow, and when water will no longer pass through, it'll be time to change it. This filter reduces bacteria, parasites, and microplastics and will physically stop working when it has reached the end of its life cycle. To replace the activated carbon filter with ion exchange, remove the filter housing and take off the bottom cap, exposing the carbon filter. Remove the carbon filter and discard. Remove the new carbon filter from its packaging and rinse under tap water for 1 minute to prime the filter. Install the new activated carbon filter into the filter housing and replace the bottom cap. You are ready to resume use. When it is time to replace your membrane microfilter, begin by removing the filter housing from the pitcher or dispenser. If it's time to replace your membrane microfilter, it's likely time to replace your carbon filter as well. Remove the bottom cap and the carbon filter from the filter housing and remove the lid, allowing access into the filter housing. Discard the used carbon filter. Remove the new carbon filter from its packaging and rinse under tap water for 1 minute to prime the filter. To install the new membrane filter, place the housing on a surface and insert the new filter. Press until firmly seated in the housing. Install your carbon filter and press the bottom cap back on. Run 1 batch of water through the filters. This will likely be slow at first as air becomes displaced from the new filter. Filtration rates will speed up over time. And now you're ready to resume use. For more information, you can visit our support pages on our website where you can find how-to videos, FAQs, and copies of our user manual. You can also email info@lifestraw.com.